Difference between Gametophyte and Sporophyte. Plant life cycle explained. Did you know plants live two different lives? Every plant from moss to flower switches between two stages called Gametophyte and Sporophyte. Let's understand how this fascinating system actually works. Gametophyte is the haploid stage of a plant's life. That means it has only one set of chromosomes. Its job is simple: to produce gametes like sperm and egg cells. Through mitosis, those spores later grow into new gametophytes, continuing the cycle. To make it simple, the gametophyte produces gametes through mitosis. The sporophyte produces spores through meiosis. One is haploid, the other is diploid. Together they complete the plant's life cycle called alternation of generations. In non-vascular plants like mosses, the gametophyte is the main visible stage. But in flowering plants, the sporophyte dominates. That's the green plant you actually see every day. So in short, the gametophyte is the reproductive stage, the sporophyte is the growth stage, and together they keep life cycling endlessly through generations. So that's the difference between the gametophyte and sporophyte. Two stages, one plant, and a cycle that keeps life going. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.